Hi guys, it's me Jun here. So today we are going to do a makeup video. So yeah, today I'm going to transform myself to this baby or SUMANDAK SABAH. And yeah, without further ado, let's start. First, we starting with the eyebrows. So, I plucking my eyebrow hair to achieve that on flick eyebrow because the eyebrow is the main focus for this look. Now the eyebrow are done and looking good. It's time to draw the eyebrow. But before starting draw the eyebrow, apply concealer all over the eyelid. Use your small beauty blender or brush to blend the concealer. To make the eyebrow look more natural, draw thin line upward like so to mimic that natural hair eyebrow. Shape the tails of the eyebrow. After that, fill in the eyebrow and use spoolie to smooth out the hair eyebrow so it look more natural and defined. Use concealer to clean out the excess around the eyebrow and blend it with beauty blender so it look more seamlessly beautiful. For the eyeshadow, starting with the base by using the brick brown color on the palette. By using a brush, apply the shadow around the eyelid and use the leftover on the brush into the lower lashes line. Define the crease by applying more darker tone brown in the outer corner of the eyes. Take a shimmer eyeshadow, apply it in the center of the eyelid, and blend it out to get that cat eye effect. Use pencil liner first to get that soft cat eye liner effect. After that, apply the liquid eyeliner. Take the shimmer and put it in the inner corner of the eyes to brighten up the eyes. Since the lashes is really natural looking and blend really well with the top lashes, I didn't apply mascara on top lashes. I only apply mascara into my lower lashes. Now for the face, use cleansing wipe to clean the fallout. Finish the rest of the face by bronzing, blush, highlighting and powdering to add dimension to the face. We almost done. Finish off this by doing the lips. Contour the lips using lip liner and apply a lipstick around the lips. After that, layer it with dark tone lipstick in the inner bottom of the lips to get that fuller lips effect. And we are done! Guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, I'm so much fun doing this, and yeah, I will see you guys next, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and see you guys next. Bye. Paring ko anangan. Mwah.